We have attack of the killer horseflies going on right now. Killed about 7. And they are about the size of an egg. Very large. That's Holly. That's Goose. Holly? Hi, Goose. Come here. Here. Oh. Pretty boy, aren't you? Why don't you do your head? See those horseflies? Hope. 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 Let me kill it. Oh! There we go. Gotta step on them. Step on them. Where is it? Oh. They're big. Oop, there he is. Hope, hope. Gotta hit him right when they land. There he comes. Ah, got him. Bye-bye. Good boy.